Okay, so tonight I wanted to introduce you to a tool, another option for your development tools called Microsoft Visual Code. And let's have a look at that. We've looked at it, and this is Visual Studio Code. This is version 1.58. And what's nice about it, or what the unique thing about it is that it has tons of extensions for anything you might imagine. Now, right now I have it set up to compile, let's see, the application we were looking at the other day. Let me show you how it works in this case. So the first thing, you have to be with this particular plugin. I'm using the Rust plugin right here, and in Terminal, what I do, run task, and I select the task I want. You see, I have all kinds of tasks, but I'm going to select this one. So, and it ran it. And let's see here. See if there's anything. And you can see August 10th, debug. And we got some of our, so it got some of our builds here. Now you can also use it for Solidity, and you can also use it for all kinds of things. One that's really cool is this Platform.io, which is designed for hardware stuff. And if there is an interest in hardware, please tell me in the comments. I'd love to do a few videos on talking to Arduino and the like. So if you're interested in it, please let me know, and we can have some fun with some of these boards I have in the room. But it does all kinds of things. It does C++, it does Docker to set up your containers. The key is you can configure tasks for all kinds of things. So that is this Visual Studio Code, and again, it's free, and that's kind of nice. You can, as I said, it's very versatile. You use learn one UI and one GUI, not GUI, one IDE, and you can use it for many different things, C++, and all these little plugins have instructions. Generally, what I found with Solidity and with Rust, you put on your tool chain ahead of time. So this one, they actually tell you to do that. Solidity. Again, you set up your compiler, and you can do your Solidity code and all kinds of things. Whatever language you can do the and we actually have used it for TypeScript and JavaScript. They have tools to analyze stuff. They have all kinds of things. So hopefully you found this helpful. You can see how versatile this tool is, and it's pretty powerful. So you know, there is a little bit of a learning curve here, but it's something that's very versatile. You may find you like it better than Remix for your Solidity coding. You may find, Remix is nice because it's all in one. And I think I have to do a little bit of digging to see how you would hook the, do the Solidity in terms of testing it on a chain. But this will compile Solidity. And yeah. So again, hopefully this has been helpful or enlightening to you. If it has, please give a like. Please share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel. That's always helpful. Ring the bell to get further videos. And thank you very much. And I will speak to you next time.